Hello and welcome. Today we're going to do something a little bit different on the channel. After hitting a raccoon a few weeks ago, I felt like since we're near the holidays, the car needed a little bit of a Christmas present. So I jumped on Amazon and found a wheel cover replacement kit. It's basically just the center caps and hubcap covers. Get rid of the Aero Wheel look and do something a little spicier. We'll see how it looks, and thought I'd take you with me. I'll have a link down in the description, no affiliate or anything, it's just the one that I found. Comes in a small little box like this, and I'll show you what that looked like when I opened it. Take a look at this. Aha. I was right. New covers for the centers of the wheels. Lug nut covers. So this will be a way to dress up the wheels a little bit, and especially that damaged Aero wheel. We'll replace that and have a fresh new look on the Model Y. And the kit comes with a couple prying tools to help get these on and off. So let's see how easy it is. So now let's get these Aero wheels off, especially the one I damaged, and put this new set on and see how it looks. Alright, this process should be pretty easy. Just a matter of pulling out the hubcap as it is. It's a little dirty here. We might have to do a car wash after this. And of course it's fall in Minnesota and nice and cool. Is it even working on your car if you don't have frozen hands? Not that this is really working on your car, but... So that pops in. It takes a little effort, but that's good. That means it's not going to come off. A little sticker under here. It says peel here. I hope that's okay to peel off. I don't know why it wouldn't be. But... And then these should just pop on. And that dresses that up pretty nicely. So that's a pretty good look. I'm going to grab a cloth and just kind of dress this up a little bit. So that looks pretty good for still a relatively dirty wheel. And the kit does come with a little screwdriver, pry tool to get that out, and then this little clip for pulling these out. So let's see how that works. If that works. Oh, that's super slick. So that works really well. I was a little nervous that, and I suppose with road grit and things, it will be harder to take out, but at least that first attempt was very simple. So I think it's a good look. It's definitely a good change of pace. Going from this to that. So we'll do the rest of them and see how we like it. And here's the damaged one. You can see in here when we had the tire changed in North Dakota, I thought you had to pull this out first for some reason. I thought I'd seen that online. I was wrong. So we spent a lot of time trying to get this thing out and then realized you could just pop it off. So all stupid on my part, but another good reason to get this cap kit. Other side back tire here, and I've got a little road scuff here that I saw Blake check. His channel did a nice little video about how to touch that up a little bit. Might do that when the weather improves, if we make it through winter unscathed. It always amazes me that the weight of the entire vehicle is extended out onto this structure, and this is all that's holding the vehicle up. On all the wheels, but still, it's a lot of weight. It's the beauty of engineering. And on to the last one. Last time to enjoy that sound. This tool will stay in the glove box, because I don't want to get into a situation where I need to get these out and I don't have it with me. Looks like this wheel got good and scuffed up too. Maybe if I win the lottery or something, I'll get these touched up and powder coated or something, but for right now, this is going to do the trick. And we'll get through winter and see how we are. So let's take a look at the before and after here. And I will be hanging onto the Aero Wheel covers, just to have in the garage maybe for road trips, or if I see a huge range penalty without them, then I'll stick them back on, like I said, for trips and things like that. Or if it becomes an issue with snow packing in here over the winter, I don't see that being a problem, but you never know. So for now, I think they look pretty good, and I'm pretty happy with this. But like I said, a little bit different kind of video for today. I hope you enjoyed that and liked the new look. And I hope you and your family have a fabulous holiday season. If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks a lot.